Dele Farotimi was brought to the magistrate court on Tuesday morning by operatives of the Rapid Response Squad of the Nigerian Police and officials of the Nigerian Correctional Service. The human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi pleaded not guilty to the amended 14 charges leveled against him. The charges stem from a defamation suit filed by Afe Babalola SAN over allegations made in Farotimi's book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. The court's proceedings were marked by a dramatic turn of events, including a legal showdown between counsel to Afe Babalola, Taiwo Adeniyi, and Farotimi's counsel Adeyinka Olumide Fusika, a senior advocate of Nigeria. Latter's appearance was initially objected to by the prosecuting team, citing rules that prohibit senior advocates of Nigeria from appearing in magistrate courts. Despite the objections, the court allowed the proceedings to continue. Farotimi's defense team submitted a preliminary objection, urging the court to dismiss the suit on grounds that a charge is legally invalid and non-existent. The court has reserved its ruling and adjourned the bail application to Friday, December 20, 2024. This means Farotimi will remain in custody for another 10 days, sparking widespread concern and call for his release.
Has already made a pronouncement of bail. It is expected that that particular bail should have been granted to him at the magistrate court. This was actually what His Excellency Peter Gregory Obi, who was exploring all options to make sure that this particular case has been put to rest. You remember that he tried as much as possible to reach out to major persons than to be given this particular bail, so that the issues can be trashed in the position of court later. As Democrats and respecters of the law, we will respect the position of the case and at the same time present ourselves in the court of law at the next proceedings. But it is expected that this particular case is a bailable offense, especially in the magistrate court, so that we can be given a bail, so that we will not escalate this particular matter unnecessarily.
Thereafter, a mild drama ensued between the supporters of Afe Babalola and Dele Farotimi outside the court.
On behalf of myself, I'm speaking as a citizen of this Ekiti township, all right, as an individual of this community. Nobody can destabilize the peace of our state. We know they are rented talks. We know they are hired to do this. But no amount of street wailing, no amount of internet attack can make group of underdogs to subdue the right of our father.
In a country where there is law and order, all the things that were written in the book by Mr. Dele Farotimi are the things that are playing out in this court. I've been here personally. I was here when another charge was served, again in the prison, and again and again and again. Nobody is above the law. If this is a civil case, why is it happening like this? Why is this happening? You are telling us that the government is under one man, which is the same man that is in question. Yes. And you are saying that the same book we are condemning now, and the things here, what is happening in this court? I listen to both parties, and it is not justifiable that something like this happened in the world, under the watch of Nigerians. This is going to create a revolution, and we're not going to sit back around it.
The original charge was amended, and the new charge was read to the defendant. And thereafter, the application for bail was argued. So, and the ruling adjourned to 28th of December this year. So that is the proceeding in the court today in summary.
The case has sparked widespread interest, with many Nigerians closely following the development. In Ado Ekiti, Ekiti State, for News Central, I am Igbalani Omoni.